is in the back stress the horses with Texeira first, Almanzora is second, Eastern Neider King is just behind Orion by the side, Alwin Bram is fifth, is then Spillman and the rest of the field approaching to the first, the last bend of the race. Always the national bred Texeira first, is just Neider King second by the outside, Eastern Almanzora, Orion by the outside, Spillman, then Alwin Bram, Velador, Lady Ada, White Bay, Almanza, and Velador finishing the field. The horses approaching to the home straight with Texeira always first, Neider King second, Almanzora trying to take a spot inside horses, just Orion behind, Alwin Bram, Spillman, and the rest of the horses coming to look for a place. Texeira taking the lead, the jockey looking as behind, Almanzora is second, Orion by the outside, is no one coming from the outside, is Texeira first, then Almanzora and Orion, the three horses disputing with Spillman just behind, but it's Texeira maintaining the first position and Almanzora disputing, Orion by the outside, and it's Texeira who maintains, but it's Almanzora taking first position now, disputing the horses, Orion by the outside, and it's Almanzora winning by Texeira or second or third.
'49s on one. First ball down is yellow ball number 46. 46 yellow gets this lunchtime draw underway. Come back to that Madrid result after this 49s draw. Second ball, another yellow ball to appear this lunchtime. 39 yellow. The yellows are 2 from 2 so far. Next down in 49s, that is orange ball number 38. 38 orange. And after that, number 17 orange is the fourth one to appear. We saw that in the tea time draw yesterday. 38, by the way, was out this time yesterday. Both out again. Fifth to appear, that is a blue ball. It's number 28. Blue 28. That's regulation ball. That's number 13, purple. Great day for the purples yesterday. They're on the score sheet today. Saw 13 last night, by the way. And the booster, that is 37 red. Red ball 37 completes the set.
Over to Sunderland.
Last chance to bet then here. Here we go, Sunderland. 9-4 Newmore Swift in the betting. Trap 2. All in. Sunderland hair running.